Cylinder head porting is the process of reshaping and smoothing the intake and exhaust ports of an engine's cylinder head to improve airflow, which can enhance engine performance. Here's a clear explanation of the porting process using the tools you mentioned. Bulk material removal and port runners. Use larger cylindrical or flame-shaped carbide burrs with a 1/4 to 1/2 shank for removing significant amounts of material from the port runners. These burrs are ideal for opening up the ports, smoothing rough surfaces, and reshaping the runners to optimize airflow. Their larger size and robust cutting surfaces make them efficient for heavy material removal. Detailed work around valve seats, guides, and tight corners. For precision work in areas like valve seats, valve guides, or tight corners, switch to smaller ball or tree-shaped carbide burrs. These smaller tools allow for intricate shaping and smoothing in confined spaces where precision is critical to maintain proper valve function and airflow. Reaching deep into ports. Long shank carbide burrs are essential for accessing deep or hard-to-reach areas within the ports. Their extended length ensures you can work on the entire length of the port without compromising control or precision. Finishing the port. Start with a coarse burr to quickly remove material and shape the port. Then, transition to finer burrs or sanding rolls to smooth the surfaces, reducing turbulence and improving airflow efficiency. This two-step approach ensures a polished, high-performance finish. For a complete selection of carbide burrs suited for cylinder head porting, including cylindrical, flame, ball, tree, and long shank options, visit our website to explore our full range of tools designed for professional and enthusiast use.